Hi everyone, Natasha here, and around my home today I am really excited because I have the November Joyful Jordan box from Jordan Essentials. So this is their monthly subscription box, and it's usually a $20 box plus a little bit of shipping, but it's always a $25 at least value. This month it's $36 worth of product, and there's some special ones in here. I'm admitting that I did sneak a peek, but I'm even more excited because I know what's in the box this time. And if you have one on order and you don't have it yet and you want to be surprised, then this is your spoiler alert, so don't watch after this if you want. The one thing you can do is stick around to the end or fast forward to the end, and I'm going to be showing you something else that's really exciting for November that I cannot wait to get. So, all right, here we go. So again, this is the Joyful Jordan. It's a subscription box. You can either just buy one and try it out for that month and see. Every month it's different. It's always $20, but it's a $25 minimum value on the products. And like I mentioned, this month it's $36 worth of product, which is awesome. You can also sign up as a recurring monthly order. So if you know you want to get it every month and you just want to have it automatically charged each month, you can do it that way. Or you can prepay for different lengths of time. So 3 months, 6 months, 9 months, or 12 months. And if you do that, then you get into their special program where you also get a quarterly extra coupon code. And that's one specific item that they choose for that club. That's the Perks Club. It's usually around 70% off whatever that item is, so it's a really good deal if it's something you know you're going to do anyway. This is a great gift, so especially as we get into the holidays, the Joyful Jordan boxes I think are awesome to give the whole box as a gift to someone, you know, your sister, friend, mom, aunt, co-worker that you're really close to, that kind of thing. Wife, hint, hint. But also what I love about these boxes is because they're already a good deal, you're already getting a good deal on the products themselves. They're great to split up and use as teacher gifts or your hairstylist gift, your mail carrier if you want to do that. Because you're already getting a good deal on the products, then you know it's even better as far as your savings for the little gift that you're going to give. So, okay, without further ado, here we go. So make sure you can see, there we go. So this is the November Joyful Jordan box. Each box comes with a card from Nancy, the owner. So there's usually a nice quote or a Bible verse or something on one side. So this one says, "Beloved, I pray that all may go well with you and that you may be in good health as it goes well with your soul." And that's from 3 John 1:2. Then the other side shows you what's in there. So you can kind of see already, here's your peek at what we have. So this box, this November Joyful Jordan box, has 2 products which are awesome. They're in the new Resistance Essential Oil Blend. So Resistance Essential Oil Blend, this one is the Magnesium Dead Sea Salt Soak. So that's a 4-ounce Dead Sea Salt Soak. This is really cool. I haven't seen this before. So this is their Magnesium Plus Stick. So this is basically, it's like a lotion bar. It's a beeswax base, but it's in like a giant chapstick tube. So you just roll it up and you can use it, you know, anywhere that you want. It's great to use if you have specific aches and pains, you know, on your knees or your elbows or wrists, if you have a little bit of tendonitis or oh gosh, what's the word, you know, carpal tunnel on your wrist. You can use the Magnesium Plus sticks in places like that because it's going to target those areas where you already have a little bit of pain. Also, if you have a headache, it's great to just rub a little bit of the Magnesium Plus stick around on your temples or the back of your neck or your shoulders where you might have a tension headache starting. And what it does, the benefit of it is that magnesium is something all of your cells need, and we're usually at least a little bit low, if not deficient. And by getting some magnesium directly on the surface of your skin, it's going to go right into those tissues where you need it, versus if you take a supplement, that's good too, but your body has to process it, and then it gets into your bloodstream, and then it gets into your tissues. So The topical magnesium is wonderful because you can just really quickly get some pain relief in specific areas. And then this has the added benefit of the Resistance Blend. So the Resistance Essential Oil Blend, if you've heard of thieves, it's the same thing. This is a blend of essential oils that came over from Europe during the time of the plague. And the story goes that there were a band of thieves that were robbing the graves of plague victims and were never getting sick. They finally got caught, and the king or the lord or whoever caught them said he would release them if they would tell him their secret on not catching the plague. And it was this blend of essential oils that they were just wearing on their person, I guess, or carrying with them all the time. And the big one is clove, which is antifungal, antimicrobial, anti-parasitic, antiseptic. It's all the it's antibacterial. So that's a huge one. And of course it smells great, especially this time of year. I love clove. It also has cinnamon, eucalyptus, lemon, and rosemary. So that specific combination of essential oils is what makes Resistance, our Resistance Blend, and that's what is so beneficial, especially this time of year. We're going into flu season, just general colds, all of that, and this is going to help keep your body stronger, keep your immune system boosted a little bit so that you can resist all of those nasty bugs that are around. So we have the Magnesium Plus Resistance Stick, which is special to this box, I believe, and the Dead Sea Salt Magnesium Soak in Resistance. And then this is really cool too. So this is the Helio Skin Superfood. It's basically a lotion. It's a shea butter based lotion, but it has this the healthy what is it called? Gosh, my brain today. Anyway, it has helichrysum in it, which is a special essential oil. It's really expensive. So if you were just going to go buy a little, I don't know, 0.25 ounce bottle of helichrysum essential oil, it's like $250. It's super expensive. So I love this product, the Helio Skin Superfood product that Jordan Essential sells, because it gives you a way to try that essential oil out without having to break the bank. You can just try it. It's already mixed in. So this is going to be great, again, for the helichrysum does a great job of pain relief. I've heard lots of people say, and I've even seen, I've had a couple friends and stuff try it where they have a headache, they apply it, it's gone instantly. They have, muscle pain from exercise, they apply it, the pain is gone. I've heard several people say they were getting ready for knee surgery and they used this to kind of keep the pain at bay until it was time for their surgery. And then once they'd had the surgery, same thing, they keep applying it and it helps the pain immensely. So this is a great one to try too. And again, you could break all these up. Each one's a great gift on its own. You can add, some chocolates or candy or a little note to your teacher, and they've got an awesome gift. So that is a really good box this year, or this month in November. And like I mentioned, it's $20, $36 worth of product. So that's really good. And then I'm going to show you what else I'm really excited about. So I'll put a link to this in the description box below, and just let me know if you would like to order one, or if you want to get onto the automatic reorder every month, if you want to do some gifts and order 3 or 4 and then just break them up. Let me know. I'll put the link. You can also just buy it yourself through my link, but either way, it's a really good product this month, and that is only available November 1st through the 30th of 2018. All right, now speaking of November and specials, I'm going to make sure you can see my little note there. This is what has me really excited too. So this is the Joyful Jordan box for November that we just went over. And this is what I'm super excited about. So the customer special for November is the Resistance Essential Oil Blend in a lotion bar. So this so far has not been available yet. It hasn't been in any of the holiday bundles or anything. So now you can get it. If you have a $50 order, it's only $5. And I don't know what this would retail for. Typically the lotion bars are at least $10. I'm not sure with that Resistance Essential Oil Blend if it's even a little bit more, if it would be, retailing for 11 or 12, but $5 for it is an awesome deal, and it's a great way to have that scent. I love putting a lotion bar in my car. because then I have it handy anytime I'm at a stoplight or I have to wait at school. I can apply it, and the great thing about the lotion bar is it seals in the moisture and it gives you a layer of protection on your skin. And then now with this resistance blend, my car is going to smell great. So I'm super excited about getting one of those. I'm going to put together an order. If you want me to add some things to my order for you, I can certainly do that. Just let me know. Or if you want to put together some items to get to the $50 minimum to get this, then I can put that order in for you, and you can get that $5 Resistance Essential Oil Blend Lotion Bar. So that is that's something I'm really excited about. And then they have some great other options too this month. So if you join the company and you want to be part of my team, I'm just building, a group of ladies together. We're like-minded, just trying to make it as moms and busy, but it's nice to have some support from one another. And the Jordan Essentials company is really easy to work with. They have a lot of great training. It's low minimums to get started and very low to keep your status up. And I just love that it's flexible and you can make it work for you and what is going on in your life at the time. And then you have the support and friendship of my team that we're building together. So if you join, then you get the Gift of Wellness bundle, and it's a $24 value, and you get that as part of your package for joining. So that's really exciting. And you can also get the Gift of Wellness bundle. You can purchase it as a special package. I think all the holiday bundles are 10% off. So if you just know you want those products and you want to do the same thing, break that up and make each one of those a teacher gift, let me know and we can certainly do that. The other thing that's really awesome this month is their hostess special. So if you decide you just want to have a few friends over and you guys can try some of the products, I'll bring a few things and you can sample and test it out. That's always a lot of fun, make some snacks and just have a little evening together or afternoon, whatever we decide. Then the hostess special is if you have at least $150 party, then you get this combo, which is the Resistance foaming hand soap in the dispenser. Sorry, my timer went off for the laundry. I'll have to go switch that. Anyway, so this host special this month has the foaming hand soap in the dispenser and then a refill. And I think I usually get at least 2.5, almost 3 refills in the dispenser out of this bottle. So that's essentially like 4 times you could refill or use up the whole bottle of foaming hand soap. And again, that's in that great resistance scent. So you've got the wonderful scent for the holidays with the cinnamon and clove and lemon and rosemary and eucalyptus. But then it also has the added benefit of boosting your immune system and helping you resist all the bugs that are out there this time of year. If you have a $500 party, then you get that whole pack for free, which is even better. So that's another good reason to bring some friends over and just have fun trying out some things and just doing a little pampering together. So, all right, so that's all I have to share. Thanks so much for joining me. I hope you're as excited as I am about this whole resistance line and having some of the new products available. And again, let me know if you want me to put in an order for you, if you want to try the Joyful Jordan box. I love having these come. They're great to send to people if you have friends or family that are out of town and you want to send them a holiday gift. These are awesome because they come packaged in this cute little box. And then they, like I said, they've always got the card in there. And then there's a lot of great products that people can try out that are just unique. I haven't seen topical magnesium in so many different products. Even the Magnesium Dead Sea Salt Soak, it's the same thing. You're going to have the benefits of the topical magnesium just soaking into all your muscles and tissues, and the Dead Sea Salt benefits. Just real quickly, so if you have Epsom salts, you can certainly soak in those. Salt in general detoxifies your body, your skin, your tissues, your muscles. So salt is always good to soak in, especially if you have pain or inflammation or stiffness. But the benefit of Dead Sea salt versus just Epsom salt is Epsom salt pulls out, it detoxifies. Dead Sea salts actually put back in some healthy minerals that your body needs. So you're detoxifying and you're adding in the extra benefit of the healthy minerals that come from the Dead Sea. So that's why that's a really awesome gift as well for anybody that's just needing a little pampering, a little TLC, this is a great way to send them, you know, a couple of different moments to pamper themselves and try out some great products. So anyway, I'll leave the description of everything and the links below. If you have any questions, just drop them in the comments and let me know that as well. And thanks again for joining me. I hope you have a great holiday season. Stay healthy and well and enjoy it as much as you can without being too overwhelmed and stressed. That's my goal this year, is to really spread things out, take care of myself, and do what's most important. So thanks again and have a good one. I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.